Let's discuss about classification of perineal tears and obstetric canal sphincter injury. So in this we have 4 degrees of tears. 4 degrees of tears. First degree, second degree, third degree, and fourth degree. In first degree, what happens is there is tear involving vaginal epithelium or skin. In first degree, there is tear involving vaginal epithelium or skin. In second degree, what happens is there is tear involving vaginal epithelium and tear involving skin plus tear involving muscles. Okay, 3 things are involved. One is vaginal epithelium, skin, and muscles. In third degree, there is involvement of anal sphincter. Third degree, there is involvement of anal sphincter. This degree is of again 3 types: 3A, 3B, and 3C. In 3C, there is involvement of less than 50% of external anal sphincter. Less than 50% of external anal sphincter. In 3B, there is involvement of greater than 50% of external anal sphincter. In 3C, there is tear of external and internal anal sphincter. In 3C, both external and internal anal sphincter injury. In fourth degree is nothing but third degree along with involvement of anal sphincter. Third degree along with involvement of anal epithelium. See, in third degree only sphincters are involved, but epithelium has not yet involved. But in fourth degree, anal epithelium has been involved.